Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Workshop Practice Lab of Electrical Engineering Department, Bahria University, Karachi campus. I am Zariyab Qazi and I am in charge of this lab. The Workshop Practice Lab focuses on providing students hands-on experience and basic knowledge of various tools and components. In this lab, students learn working and testing of basic electronic components like resistor, capacitor, inductor, and also the usage of measuring instruments like digital multimeter, RLC meter, which helps them in analysis of circuit. Here students are also taught electric home wiring, where they can make different series and parallel circuits, electric switchboard connections, and understand the working of lights, fans, etc. Soldering and desoldering techniques are essential to learn in this lab. This lab also offers complete PCB designing course where students can design single-sided and double-sided printed circuit boards with 3 different fabrication methods like press and peel, screen printing, and PCB CNC machine. And on the other hand, Workshop Practice Lab is facilitating students with various hardware tools and machineries like drilling, grinding, welding, wood cutting, wood filing, shaping materials using lathe machine, and 3D printing. Students are using these resources to design their semester projects and final year projects. And all these things happen under the expert supervision with safety measures. As you know that we all are suffering from COVID-19 pandemic, but the learning process is continued. So how we conduct online workshop practice lab? We record detailed videos of every single practical so that students can watch whenever or wherever they want. We conduct our labs through video conferencing platforms where students and teacher can interact with each other. We provide all related softwares to students like DipTrace for PCB designing, Multisim for simulating electronic circuits, and 3D Lab for experiencing the fully functioning electrical electronics laboratory in a realistic 3D environment. We are connected with our students through social media platforms all the time. Bahria University has its own learning management system where students can download all lectures along with recorded videos. They can also submit their assignments and engineering tasks using this platform. We are really working hard to provide quality education and facilitate our students even in these tough circumstances. So let's discover knowledge together. Hope to see you soon in fall 2020.